Hello, this is Richard Jacobs from Speakeasy Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about why reviews, testimonials, and case studies are very, very important to increasing the percentage of clients that you talk to that end up retaining you. Now, if you think about it, if you're going out to a restaurant, let's say with your husband or wife, and you want to go someplace new, what do you tend to do? You go to Zagat or Yelp or Google and you type in, Chinese food in Dallas. You look up the restaurants, right? And now they have reviews. So if you look at some restaurants, you see, oh, this one has 12 reviews and they're 4.5 stars. This restaurant has 400 reviews and they're 4.5 stars. Which one are you going to go to? You're going to feel like, oh, the one with a lot of reviews, I want to go to that one because it looks like tons of people have been there. There's tons of what's called social proof that that place is a good place. So that's where you're going to go. So same thing goes with attorneys. Again, doesn't matter your practice area. This applies to every single practice area. But nowadays, people Google everything. Google is their oracle. Any question they have, let me look at my phone and Google it, okay? Or go on my computer. So when people are looking you up and they're researching you and they're thinking about possibly calling you, now I'm not saying hiring you, but even calling you in the first place, they may look at Avo, they may look at your website, they may look at Google Maps results or Google Plus, and if you don't have reviews there, that's a problem. You want to have reviews, and you want to have more reviews than your competition that's there. Because if you're John Smith and you have no reviews, and Joe Jones has 35 reviews and they're all 5 stars, Joe Jones is probably going to get that call. And even if someone was thinking about you originally, but your competition, Joe Jones, has a lot of reviews and you don't, you may lose that person even after you've done a consult with them. So very, very, very important to cultivate reviews from all of your past clients. Now, yes, you can get a bad review. It happens. I've had that happen to me and to some clients. But if you have one bad review and no good reviews to counteract it, it doesn't look good. If you have one bad review and 15 great reviews, well, then it's in context. It's not so bad. It helps you out. So don't be afraid to get reviews. And you want to ask them from your past clients. And you want to ask them, by the way, at their happiest moment. When is their happiest moment? Right when you've gotten them a good result in their case. Now, where should you get people to post reviews of you? Get them to do it in the easiest way possible. Some people like to use Yelp. Some like to use Google+. Some like to just reply to an email and type it in. Some will literally handwrite it. Does not matter. Don't hold out and say, put a review for us on Google+, and that's all. Get them any way you can. So if someone is in the office and they're willing to sit there and literally handwrite a review for you, do it. Get it now before they leave and you never get that review. If the person has a Gmail account, try to get them on Google+. If they have a Yelp account, try to get them there. But again, make it easy for people. Don't make it a pain in the ass. Otherwise, they're not going to review you, right? Now, one strategy,